2012 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, Bluetooth, cruise control, FWD, compass, passenger airbag, heated driver's seat, trip computer, remote power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.